If you are new or belong to the game making industry, and if you are looking for game development software to develop and design your ideas into an interactive game, then this video is meant for you. Whether you're in a game studio or independently trying to design and develop games, can find something online to learn and develop their own game. The best part is that many of them are completely free. Now, what is a game engine? The best way to understand is to know what the purpose of the game engine is. The game engine is a ready-made architecture that developers use to run the game. The game engine gives developers a way to add things like scripts, control collision detections, rendering physics, artificial intelligence, etc. without the need of programming it. While there are many more out there, in this video we will discuss 10 helpful game engine tools you can use at any time, and without having to pay a single penny. However, the series is random, as it is quite difficult to place the game engine in any specific order, as all games have their pros and cons. If you find it helpful and informative, please like this video and subscribe for the newer update. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. Number 1 in the series is Unreal Engine 4. One of the most popular game engines is the Unreal Engine, made by Epic Games. The original version was released in 1998, and after 21 years it continues to be used for a large number of games every year. In March of 2015, Epic Games announced that Unreal Engine 4 would be free to download and use for everyone. This renowned game development toolset has been used for hits on just about any platform. The power of Unreal Engine is that it can be modified quite easily to make every game unique. The latest version, Unreal Engine 5, is considered to be the easiest to use in the hands of a professional. However, there are other engines that are easier for new designers. Unreal Engine 4 is a suite of integrated tools for game developers to design and build games, simulations, and visualizations. They even only ask for 5% royalty, which is amazing considering all the powerful tools and features you're getting. Number 2 in the series is Unity, the world's leading real-time creation platform. Unity is used to create half of the world's games. Unity's real-time platform, powered by tools and services, offers incredible possibilities for game developers. For a long time, many developers underestimated Unity, but not anymore. It is now a widely used game creation tool that can be used to make both 2D and 3D games on just about any popular platform. There is also free publishing support for iOS, and the free download comes with a trial of Unity Pro. The problem is that the professional edition, which has many great tools, requires a monthly fee. These features include beta access, gaming performance reporting, the ability to customize your screensaver, team license, and more. Number 3 in the series is Stencil. With this toolset, you can make Flash games faster than with any other program out there. The interface features a drag and drop system along with blocks of code for you to utilize. Stencil isn't your average game creation software. It's a gorgeous, intuitive toolset that accelerates your workflow and then gets out of the way. While you can make great games with Stencil, it's often a tool by developers to make quick prototypes of their game ideas. Number 4 in the series is Construct 3. Construct 3 is the perfect tool if you want to make great 2D games. This game creation engine offers an intuitive drag and drop interface that lets you use your HTML5 knowledge. Construct 3 is the best software to create games. Over 60,000 users monthly make and sell thousands of games globally. This means you can make games for Newgrounds, Facebook, Kongregate, and popular web browser. Number 5 in the series is Cocos 3D. Cocos 3D is an open source tool for creating 2D and 3D games with C++, although there is support for Lua and JavaScript. Cocos Creator is a unified package of game development tools. Starting with the workflow, it also includes a game engine, based on Cocos 3DX, resource management, scene editing, game previewing, debugging, and publishing your project to multiple platforms. Your finished game can be published on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Windows Phone, or the web. Notable titles made using this program include Badlands, Castle Clash, Kingdom Rush, Tiny Village, and Matching with Friends. Number 6 in the series is Play Canvas. The Play Canvas editor is the most advanced WebGL authoring environment available. It's packed full of features to help speed up your development and stay ahead of the competition. This HTML5 game development platform allows you to develop 2D and 3D games alongside a collaborator on the cloud. This means you don't have to download and install anything and are even given 200 megabytes of disk space. New developers and experts alike can make use of this free and open source engine. Number 7 in the series is RPG Maker. RPGs are one of the most popular genres in the industry. Thanks to RPG Maker, thousands have had the chance to make their epic adventures with this excellent game development engine. RPG Maker VX Ace improves every aspect of RPG creation. With multiple tileset support, full auto-shadow control, and a flexible features system, Ace gives you the most powerful RPG making tools ever. From combat, cutscenes, and dialogue to environments, dungeons, and bosses, you can do almost anything without having to write a single line of code. Experienced users can use their JavaScript knowledge to change the game in any way, starting from the battles and ending with the interface of the menu. Users without JavaScript knowledge will only be limited by what the engine offers, but it's still more than enough to create a game. Number 8 in the series is BuildBox. BuildBox can be used to develop games very easily and in short time. The process of developing games on BuildBox is just selecting the images, importing them, assigning the roles, and your game is ready to be played. There is no need of coding for developing your gaming app. Changes in the game can be made, and the effect can be checked in real time using the BuildBox engine. It is a friendly platform for people who are not tech experts. BuildBox offers over 20,000 game assets, sound effects, and animations. The latest version of BuildBox can be used to develop 3D games without any coding. Drag and drop functionality makes the development process easy. Using BuildBox, you can implement ads by just a few clicks. Game templates are also available to make the development process as easy as possible. Number 9 in the series is Monogame. Monogame is an open-source implementation of the Microsoft XNA4 framework. Monogame allows XNA developers on Xbox 360, Windows and Windows Phone to port their games to the iOS, Android, Mac OS X, Linux and Windows 8/10s, as well as PlayStation Vita, Xbox One, and PlayStation. Monogame lets you use your knowledge of .NET languages and C# to create games for iOS, Android, PlayStation 4, Macintosh, and more. More than 1,000 games have shipped thanks to a healthy community of developers helping each other understand and get better with Monogame. Number 10 in the series is GameMaker Studio. It has everything you need to take your idea from concept to finished game. With no barriers to entry and powerful functionality. GameMaker Studio 2 is the ultimate 2D development environment. GameMaker is easily one of the most popular game development tools in the industry. This is because its drag and drop system allows you to make games many times faster than if you were coding it. You also have the option of upgrading to the professional or master collection versions for access to more tools. GameMaker is popular because you can make a game without learning any programming language first. Those who have experience in coding can use this engine to improve their games. The problem with GameMaker and other point-and-click engines is that developers are much more limited in function than those who use other engines. Although there is a free version, to use GameMaker to its maximum it will be necessary to buy either a professional or a master collection version. The bonus for those who have watched till now is GameSalad. Another game engine. Thousands of games have been built with GameSalad for iOS, Android-based devices, and more. This is because it offers a web-based interface that allows you to release a game on multiple platforms. Many games developed with GameSalad have reached the top 100 games in the US App Store and even a few in the number 1 spot. GameSalad is a revolutionary game development platform that allows anyone to create the game of their dreams without writing a line of code. It's also the best way to introduce programming concepts, game design, and digital media creation. So wrapping up this video here. In the next videos, we will see the next 10 other game engines. Till that time, thanks and take care. See you in the next video.